marigold. Marigold flowers are popular in flower gardens. Marigold are red, yellow, orange in colors. There are different types of marigolds. Marigold flower blooms during winter season. It is said red marigold flower originated in Egypt. Marigold flowers are found almost everywhere in the world. Marigold flowers are used for making perfumes and cosmetics. Marigold are high valuable for medicinal purpose. It is also used to make gardens and home decoration. Everyone likes marigold.